Okay, good evening, student. Today we are going to continue the story, the play Remember Caesar. Okay, in that play, we have seen three characters: Western, Lady Western, and Roger. Lady Western is the Western wife, and Roger is the servant to Western. Actually, Western is a good judge. Already we saw that it was Lady Western is talking to Roger at the moment. She find out one scrap of paper in his pocket. In that paper written, remember Caesar, only the single word, but it is very meaningful to Western because Caesar is died on March 15, so that Western think himself. So someone is going to kill March 15th because Caesar was killed at that time, no? So he think as himself someone is going to murdering March 15th. So Western asked the date, what is the date today and day everything to Roger. It was he informed wrongly, but he identified today is the March 15th. So he think himself, okay, someone is going to murdering today like that. She informed to Western Roger to close everything. Just order to Roger to close doors, windows, everything. Don't be open everything because he's going to prevent in the house without because it is a death warning. Before going to death, someone is going to murdering Western, so he think himself. So order to Roger to close everything, no one to enter into my house like that. Roger also went there and closed everything, and even he want to send them any strangers into the house. Any new servant, if any new servant is entered means they definitely send out of the home like that. Western order to Roger. So Roger also went there and also called Western informed to Roger to bring their wife Francis. The lady Western full name is, the name is Francis. No, the name of the lady Western is Francis. So she bring upstairs in the house like that. He informed to Roger. So Roger asked to Lady Western. Now the Lady Western came there and both are talking. At that moment, Lady Western told what happened today, Western like that. So Western told today someone is going to murdering your husband like that. He informed. Okay, okay. Last time, oh, it means you become a very popular person in the city like that. She informed because the popular person only going to the famous popular person only going to plan to someone going to murdering. So like that you also become a popular person. This is your wish only, no? Like that she told to her husband. At the moment, Lady Western told that not like that. Someone idiots is going to murdering today because I know that everything like that. He told. Then Lady Western told, how you know that? What is thread? Last time also you got that one thread. Someone is going to kill in the. It was the game pay. Game pay is nothing. It was the food. The meat is covered with the poison like that. She told with comically. So he was very serious. Western was very serious and so the scrap of paper. In the paper written, remember Caesar. What is that? What is the meaning? Why you are showing like that? She told, and it means it is nothing. It is the day the Caesar is died on the March 15th like that. He informed. And also oh, I see, I know Caesar already, I know everything like that. She informed. What they are talking everything at that moment, what they are going to do in the continuous play. Now see the continuous play, students. Okay, see here. Actually, he told you are also a one of the uh, strict lawyer, and also the people are actually the people are hate the lawyer, and also you are a very strict lawyer. Definitely, the people are against for you like that. She told Western. Lady Western told, but Western told, I'm not strict. Actually, the law only is strict like that. I'm not a judge. I'm not good Francis. Not a. No, I'm not a judge. I'm a judge. I'm not a juggler like that. He informed to Western informed to his wife. Now Lady Western told, "No, of course not. You shall not go out of the house today. A nice light dinner and a good glass of wine like that, drinking like that." She told. So it means you have murdering. You have the threat to going to someone is going to murdering you. It means you don't go out of the house today. You want to be in the house today fully, and also I prepare a nice dinner, a nice light dinner, and also I send out a glass of wine like that. Lady Western informed to Western. So Western, I have sent Roger to barricade all the doors, and I think it would be wise to close the ground floor shutters and see that they are not open for any reason. So any case of any movement like that, Western told. So Western told, already I sent Roger to barricade. Barricade is nothing to close all the doors and the windows, and I think it would be wise to close the ground floor. And also, it is a good idea to close the ground floor shutters. Want to close the main door also and see that they are not open for anything. And also, you want to watch this for any reason should not be open the any doors, even the shutters and windows. Just you can watch like that. Western told to Lady Western. Lady Western, is it the France and the Dutch together you are expecting? And this is the morning. So now Lady Western told, actually you feel Western, you feel the Frenchman and the Dutch people are going to, they are joining together, going to kill you. You are expecting like that, and and also the early morning like that. She asked to her husband, Mr. Gamson's boy comes with the groceries. How am I too going to get? So Mr. Gamson is nothing. He's one of the boy. He's working in the grocery. Groceries is nothing. We Tamil we say that palasaraku. It's a Malay store. He bought some things to home today. How can I going to bought that like that? Lady Western told to Western, my dear, is a little pepper more to you than your husband life. So you are going to get the just for little pepper from the Mr. Guamsons. It is just he is comparing about the pepper and the herself himself. You are thinking about the little pepper. You not give important to your husband's life like that. Western told to ask to his wife, Lady Western, it is not a little pepper, it's a great deal of flour. You are telling it's a gritty little pepper. It is not a little pepper, my darling. It is a great deal of flour, and also had some with the flour with the pepper. So I got so much of things, not only a pepper like that. Lady Western told, replied, and you would be the first to complain if the bread were short or the gravy thin, and also you are the only person making complaint if have anything in anything happened in the while preparing the food, like even though the bread was very short or the the gravy was very thin, while you only just complaining that. That's why I'm get the groceries, it's very important for making the food like that. Lady Western replying to Western, giving him back the paper. Okay, give me the paper. Just she asked to his husband, how do you know that the little paper was meant for you? Actually, how do you, what is the matter you are going to think about? This is for you warning for you are going to kill you only like that. Lady Western asked to his husband, her husband Western, because it was my pocket. I found it there when I was looking for something to light my pipe with, meaning there was no spills. So Western told replied that because it was in my pocket. Actually, why the Lady Western asked why you are thinking that the paper meant you only going to kill like that. The Western told, because the paper was in my pocket. It means they are planning targeting to murdering me only, like the Western told. I found it there when I was looking for something to light my pipe. Actually the paper was in my pocket when I find, just when I searching the, light my pipe is nothing going to light the cigarette. So on the cigarette, because the Western is having the habit of making to use the cigarette for oftenly. So while searching the, to going to light the pipe, at that time he find out the paper like that. He replying to his wife with the meaning there was no pills. So actually, while searching the pills is nothing. Actually it's not a stick. See here, in olden days they used the, is a matchstick to light the pipe, to light the cigarette like that. But he did not find out any pills in his pocket, only find out the a scrap of paper like that, he informed. Lady Western, no pills. It means you don't have pills. What again? Okay, what happened that time? Actually, you are Richard. You smoke for too much. Actually, you are always smoking for too much. It means you don't have spill. Means what happened that time? Again, Lady Western told. Western, continuing hastily, just telling fastly, it was slipped into my pocket by a man who brushed against me yesterday, a dark, lean fellow with an evil face. Actually, someone is slipped the paper in my pocket. While yesterday, a man was brushed, touched me at the time. Definitely, he only kept the paper in my pocket. He was a very dark man and also a evil face in his face like that, he informed. Then Lady Western, I don't think he was very evil, but I not think that man is very not evil like that. Lady Western told. Western, what do you know about it? How do you know about it? Why you are telling like that? Western asked to his wife. Sinking into a chair. Sinking is nothing, just sitting into a chair. Stop, Francis, stop. It upsets me too. Enter Roger, a little out of breath after his flying tour to round the house. So now he got so much of angry. So Western warned the Francis, Lady Western, stop, Francis, stop, don't talk. You are talking is very upset me. It was very angry, making angry with me. So don't talk like that. Informed Western. At that moment, Roger entered into the hall in the place nearby the Western and the Lady Western, because he went to close the main door and the windows. He was came there at the time making breathe, because it was very fastly he done everything. So now Western, her Roger, Roger, have you seen it all? Every door barred, every window shut, all workmen out. So now Western asked to Roger, oh Roger, yeah, come. Have you checked every door and windows? Everything was closed, and every window shut. All workmen out, and every workmen sir went outside. No one is working in the house like that. He asked to Roger. Roger, a little embarrassed with making breath, and he replied, every door except the kitchen one, my lord. Yes, I checked everything. Everything was closed, and we excepting the kitchen one. Actually, kitchen door only not, kitchen window only not closed, my lord. Like that, my lord refers to Western. Like that, Roger informed to his owner, Western. Western angrily, with hatefully, with angrily. And why not the kitchen one? Why don't you close the kitchen one? Every door you are closed, but why you are left the kitchen door like that? He informed. He asked again to Roger. Roger, stammeringly, with shakingly, with fearfully. The cook seemed to think. Actually, the cook, what she is thinking, that is, she said something. He is going to tell, but stop there. While Western, well, speak, man. Okay, what the cook told? Tell me, what did she say? What did the cook say? How does that the cook thinks affect my order to bar the kitchen door? How the cook is against my order? Why she is refused to close the windows? What happened to what she told? Reply. speak man, like that. Western told very hastily. Then Roger, in a rush. Now Roger told that what she cook told in a rushfully. The cook said that she was a respectable woman and had never been behind bars in her life, and she wasn't going to begin at her age, and she was quite capable of dealing with anyone who came to the kitchen door. So now the Roger told to the what the cook said. Actually, cook said she was a very honorable woman, and also she is not willing to kept in the behind of the boss, because in her life, because she was very old, in that old age she is not willing to behind the boss. It means just she think herself, while the person is jailed at the time, see the person is the beyond of the boss, like that she is not willing to be in that old age, and she was quite capable of dealing, and also she is not she is able to dealing any man is came enter into the through the window, she will make fight and to not able to send inside the house, like that she told. So now Roger informed to Western. Then Western, tell her to pack her things and leave the house at once, and also go and tell to the cook and things pack their things, everything, and leave out of the house at once. Now ask them to send out the house and ask them to pack everything, like that. Western told to Roger, Lady Western. And how will you kill? How will who will cook your pet dishes? It means if you send the cook out, means who is going to cook for your pet dishes? You are liking good dishes. I shall I shall also see that all the downstairs windows are shuttered and you suggest. Okay, and also I see every shutters and also windows want to be going to close them, and also I am going to inform to the cook also to close everything. We can always hold the groceries through an upper window. Okay, even though I will buy the groceries through the upper window. Upper window means through the upper side of the, because in that house have the one window in the upper in the roof of the house, so through that he will hail back. It means to push back through the through one, yeah, like using one roof through that window we can get the groceries. So now I'm going to close everything, so I will see if you send the cook means who's going to prepare food, like that she told. Western controlling himself, that Western got so much of angry, just he was controlling himself. I think that's so frivolous. Yes, suggestion at so anxious a time is in poor taste. But Francis, he got so much of angry about the against the Francis, because it was a very serious situation at that moment. You are just thinking about the poor taste, Francis, and both of you is not good for you, Francis, like that he warned the Francis. Then Lady Western, did it appear frivolous to you? So it means it also the serious for you, it is a bad thing for you. How strange, how bad it was, like that he again asked to his husband. I had thought it had to shutter the walls and yet leave opening in the roof, and one could drive a coach and horses through. Okay, it means if I close every shutters and windows, everything, if anybody came through the roof, means like they could drive a coach with the horses through uh, into the roof of the hole, because I had some hole in the roof. How can we going to close? If anyone came there, means what will do, like that she again asked to his husband. However, she comes back into the room. So now she planned to came back to the his room, that room, and takes two candelabra from different places in the room and goes to the door. Now it took some candles and to kept the candles into different places and goes into near the door. Western, what do you want with this? Why are you taking the candles? Through the candles, what you are going to do? Like that, he asked. Lady Western, If we are to be in the darkness below, we shall want to all the candles we can gather. Okay, now we are in a, because we closed every doors and windows. So now we are in darkness. So we want to be make light through the candles. So we gather some candles like that. Lady Western told to her husband, and she exit from the place. Western, the aptness of the female mind to busy itself about irrelevant and the inconsiderable minute is a source of endless wonder to me. Now Western told, actually the females are normally the female are they are busy with their irrelevant work, not for worthful work, and also they consider the it is a often trivial. So miniaty is nothing often trivial. It means it is a usually habitually it is after to for every woman they are working with the irrelevant, like my wife also is a source of endless wonder to me, and also it was making so much of sadness to me, like that he told. Almost without noticing what he is doing, he moves over to the fireplace and strikes his head into the chimney to view the breadth of it. As he withdraws it, he becomes aware of Roger standing watching. But actually, is not identify what Francis told. Actually, while he was just noticing, while Lady Western went outside, he came. He entered into the fireplace. Fireplace is nothing here. It refers to for in each house while making the food, have some hole in it to exit the smoke of the making for food to send out of the house. It is called fireplaces. Now he saw the fireplace and sticks it into the chimney. Into chimney is nothing. It's called the smoking, making the fire food, to get out of the food. It view the width of it. Now see, he watched the how much width the hole is. As he withdraw it, it becomes hour of Roger standing watching, and also he came out of that fireplace. He watched the Roger is waiting there, just watching it. I see no reason how I now why why you should not resume your work, Roger. Now he won the Roger. Why are you waiting here, Roger? You go and do your work. Don't waste your time. Don't waste here like that. Western order to Roger. Roger. Oh my lord, it is beyond my power to work while you are in danger. Is there not something I could do? So now Roger so told, oh my lord, actually it is beyond my it is the apart from my work, because my owner is in a danger. Is there not something I couldn't do? I'm not able to I could do. I'm not able to do without my work, because my owner is in a danger condition. So in that moment I am not willing to go and do any work, like that Roger replied to his lord Western. Now see next. Western. Mightily flittered. Nonsense, my good Roger. Nonsense. Nothing is going to happen to me. But he told meaningfully, you are a nonsense. Don't, my good Roger, you are nonsense, Roger. It's not going to happen to me. Actually, not going to happen today. So don't care about me. You go and do your work, like that. He think himself and told to Roger. Roger, I could perhaps go and warn the authorities and so prevent. So now Roger get an idea told to Western. And I go and warn the authorities. Authorities nothing. Those who are going to the god, like called the god is called the authorities, like police, any god going to has to save your life, like that he informed to Western. So now Western very bravely, no, 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 I'm am I to spend the rest of my life with a God at my heels? So you are thinking, no, 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 no. You go on inform to any authorities, but you are feeling in my rest of my life, I want to be keep to God with me in my heels, in my hand, in my leg, like that he told, and go on with your work. you can go and do your work. Don't say any authorities, and I'm not willing to keep God in my life in the rest of my life, like that he informed. And his eyes has lightened on a package which is lying on a chair against the right wall. Now he saw the one package. It was lying in the chair against the right wall of the house. The box is oblong. Oblong is nothing, the shape of the box. It was roughly 8 inches its breadth, and by 10 inches of breadth, length, by 4 inches of its mm, length, and tied with cord. And also the package was tied with a cord in a rope sharply. What is this? Now see, Western asked to Western, what is that? What is the package, like that he asked. Okay student, we will continue the next play in the next class. I hope you got the, you know the play very well. Thank you for your cooperation.